very blue.
Hey guys, my name's Nat, and I've been travelling through Europe with a few of my mates this summer. So far we've spent 3 weeks exploring all that Italy has to offer, and more recently Croatia's coastline. We're now on the island of Hvar, taking a boat tour out to explore some of the neighbouring islands. Hey guys, here we are in Hvar. We have just left recently on a boat tour. Join me today as we check out some of the local islands here on this little boat. Here's Zach and the crew. So blue water. It looks fake. We are off to see Croatia's Blue Grotto. We've just gotten our $13 ticket with a ticket time in an hour, so we're going to go just relax at the beach until our ticket number is called.
The Blue Grotto.
Yeah, but is it like from the government or is it like a private like...
$13. I think it's worth it. So it's an UNESCO site. Sadly we can't swim. Zach tried to pee, but it didn't work. So clear. Caving in a boat. My God. Here I am in a random cave that's very blue in the middle of the Adriatic Sea in Croatia. This is awesome! We are at Stinvia Beach, I think. Voted Europe's top beach in 2016. Pretty cool. There's a few fishies. There's a bar to get some drinks if that's your thing. Pretty cool, cozy place.
We haven't had any good risottos here yet.
Ours is actually pretty good. They've all been very average.
It is hard to make that risotto, but